So hello guys, I want to quickly show you on our inventory stroke stock management system that will be an ultimate solution to the problems of managing stock, on the problem of analyzing the move of your products, and also it's able to analyze the amount of sales you've made for quite a certain time of period, and also it gives you an overview of the profit and the loss, and also it is an ERP system whereby you can also manage your customers, you can manage everything that concerns your business towards your people who are maybe workers or something, so you can manage even their payroll and whatsoever. And also this system, it's efficient in terms that even you, if you have expenses that are engaged out from the business, it can help and assist you on the same. So I want to quickly show you on this mighty system that we have, that is rocking now. So here is the basically the dashboard, the first thing that you see when you log in into the system. And this demo is will be available on our website, and you can check it out. So you can check it out and you can try it on yourself, and you can give us a call like that, so that we can you can make a consultation for us to be able to install this great and mighty system for you. So in this upper side, we have the logo and stuff, and here we have the POS. So this is a point of sale. So when you click on the point of sale here, you can be able to select the warehouse that you have, and select maybe a certain product that you have, and sell it through the POS system. And here you can pay. Let me quickly show you how you can do that. You can even choose the account. If you have the account, you can choose it. You can definitely choose and add the account on this management system. So when you click on submit, basically it will direct you on printing the specific receipt for that product that you have sold. Yes, so let me basically get back. That is a POS. You can be able to see it on yourself when you can when you log in into the demo. I'm going to link the demo in this video, and you can be able to basically look on it. So when you, yeah, the next thing that basically you see, it is the product. So here you can create a product. So basically you put the name of that product that you want. Yes, then here you give an automatic code product, then you choose the category, the brand and stuff. Then you choose, you can also choose the tax type, if maybe it is inclusive, or maybe 16% VAT tax, it can be included on that. Then you enter your product cost. Here in the type of the product, you can choose either it's a standard product, a variable product, or a service product. You can get it from the aspect of variability and service product. So you can choose either of the same, and then you can choose the unit in accordance to the units that maybe you input, you put in the system. So here in the product, you have different things that you can see. You can see all products, so you can be able to see the products that you have in the system. Then also you can also print labels for different warehouses. You can print labels for different shops or stuff. So you just search for the product, maybe crown something. I think that product is in the system. So if I choose this one, and I choose the quantity of the labels I want, then I choose the paper size maybe to 40. I can see that I can be able to download this and stick them into the maybe the product, and I be able to scan while selling in the POS. Then here you can be able to count the stock, and this is an ultimate solution. You come here to count. When you count, you choose the certain warehouse, and you can be able to download this file in Excel sheet. So in that Excel sheet, if you maybe open this document, basically it will show you the products that you have in your stock. And it's a good solution to the problems of maybe you don't know the actual amount of the stock that you have in your shop. This will be an ultimate solution to that problem, and I can show you that. So maybe let it open so that I can show you how it is listed. So this is the demo product that maybe we have. So it can show you the quantity that the product name and the quantity, and it can show you definitely. It can definitely show you that. So let's go to the next part where you can add the categories that your products fall into. You just create and add a product, add a category code, and maybe the name of the category, and you are done. So you go to the brands, either maybe you have different brands of the products. You can create and add the brand on that section. And the other thing you can do, you can also add the units. So these units are maybe kilograms, liters, whatsoever, like the units of the product that you are selling. So you come here and just input the base unit, the unit name, the short name of the unit, and then you're done. So it's just that. Then here on create on adjustment section, so here you must choose the warehouse, because basically you might have different shops or different warehouse or different companies that you're running, and you basically need to have data for each. You cannot have separate datas. So you cannot have data set that is logged into one thing. So you have to have separate data management of different warehouses, so that you can be able to see the performance of a different shop or a different warehouse. So on this, if you want to create an adjustment, you just choose the warehouse, and come here and search your product, and it basically show up there, and you can add or subtract. So you can add the quantity or subtract. So that is basically the work of the adjustment section. So here in the quotation, you can create a quotation. So you can choose a customer, where maybe in the course of this demo I will show you where to add the customer. You choose the warehouse, you search the product, then you come and input all these details, and you can be able even to send this to the customers in form of an email. Then here on these purchases, so we have moved from the quotation. So on this end of the purchases, you can create a purchase. When the products are coming from the supplier, you are supposed to key in the you input the data, so that the stock might be updated, and also you might see maybe the value of the products that you have in your warehouse, so that it will be easier to manage them. So that is the work of this section of the purchases. You can create a purchase you choose that as a supplier. When you choose a supplier, you choose the warehouse where those products are being loaded to. Then you choose maybe basically search for the certain product that you want to maybe basically change buy. So you just input the quantity, then you're done, and then you submit. So that is it. Then now when it comes to sales, so in this section of sales, you can create a sale on this end. So when you create a sale, so when you come to this creating a sale, so maybe you have input you have the input data of the customer. So you select a customer from here, and then you choose the warehouse, then you search for the product that you are selling to to this customer. Then here, if the payment status from the customer it's paid, you just click on paid. Whether it's partial or something, you just click on partial. Whether it's pending, you just click on pending. Then you submit. That is it. So here you can also, it says here you can also see all sales. So you can see all sales and the sales that has been done for quite a time. You can also filter with time, a date, and maybe you can select here from different dates and apply and filter, and it can show you. So that's because we have not done sales for a period of this time that I've selected. So basically I just come here and filter, and everything it is on this system. So the other thing is the POS. You can select it from that end of the sales, and so basically this is the ultimate solution. So in case this is a section for sales return. In case someone returned something, so you just come here and maybe input the data that this person maybe he returned a certain product. So you just come here and see the sales return. So if you choose the purchases return, maybe there is a certain product that you felt it was not worth it to have it on your stock, and it was not good, so you can see it in this reference point. So that is it. So here in the human resource management, you can see the employees. So you can even create the employees here. You just input the first name here, all these, everything here. You can choose them and add them here. You can also add a payroll, and you can create if you have paid the workers or something. So here you can choose the employee. You can choose the account in which you're paying through. Then you submit, and that is it. Then you can go to transfer. So here in creating a transfer, maybe you have a warehouse, a different warehouse, and another different warehouse, or a different company. You have a branch of the same company, so you can choose to basically receive products from one warehouse, and when they arrive in this default warehouse, you can transfer them to another warehouse. So you just come here and choose the product that you want to transfer, the stock that you want to transfer, and you make a submission, and it will automatically get the data and the stock to the other warehouse. So in this accounting section, you can list the accounts that you have. You can create the accounts that you have. Then you can do money transfers. You can create money transfers. Maybe you wanted to make a transfer from one bank account to the other. When you make that transfer, so that you may be able to manage your things well, you can create that transfer even from this end on your account section on this portal. Then you can create an expense. Maybe you have made an expense from your shop. You can make you can put the details here, so that it might be able the system might be able to synchronize in matters to do with profit loss management. Then you can also see all the expenses. You can create a deposit. You can list deposit. You can do the expense category, and all these things are going to be available on the matters to do with our demo on the website. So as I said, I will leave it on the bio. So when I leave it on the bio, you can go and check it out, and basically be able to see on yourself and work it out on yourself. So on this end of the people, you can be able to see the customers that you have, basically the customers that you have. You can also create a customer from this end. Just create and input the details of the customer and whatsoever, and then you can also add the supplier. On this end, you can still do the create and add the supplier. Then you can also add a user. So on this users side, you can add an user, and everything will be well with you. Then basically on this end of the report, you can be able to manage every kind and generate every kind of report that you need for this system. So basically, I'm not going to tackle everything on this system, but you can just look it out on yourself on the portal, and I know it shall help you. So this is basically one of the best systems that we have created as Lijohtech developers, and basically we are looking forward to make partnerships with you guys and then enable you to be able to manage your companies, your stocks, your warehouses efficiently, and be able to track all your expenses and able to track your profit and loss. Yes, thank you so much.